Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to check your RAM usage in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. The fastest way is to open Task Manager. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, or right-click the Start button and select Task Manager from the menu. When it opens, click the Performance tab on the left, then select Memory to see a real-time graph showing total RAM, how much is in use, available, plus speed and number of slots used. If you want to see which ops are consuming the most memory, go back to the Processes tab. Click the Memory column header to sort every running process from highest to lowest consumption. That makes it easy to spot any program using more RAM than it should and close it directly from there if needed. For a deeper look, you can also use Resource Monitor. Press Windows plus R, type Resmon, and press Enter. When it opens, go to the Memory tab to see a complete breakdown including hardware reserved, in use, modified, standby, and free memory, along with a detailed list of every process and its memory footprint. To check the physical specifications of your installed RAM, open Settings with Windows plus I, then go to System and click About. Under Device Specifications, you will see the installed RAM amount. For more details like speed and form factor, open Command Prompt and run WMIC memory chip get capacity, speed, manufacturer, part number to view information about each memory module. And that's how you keep an eye on your system's memory. Leave a comment below telling me how much RAM your PC has. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.